This is my favorite can opener. It says swing away. This is over 20 years old. Still turns really smoothly. But at 20 years old, it's getting a little rusty. And I don't know, maybe I could put some CLR in it. But I told my husband it was getting a little rusty. He's like, no big deal. I said, I don't even know where I got this can opener, but he looked, said swing away, and he found it on Amazon. So I'm going to compare and see if they still make them like they used to 20 years ago. Because like I said, 20 years, this is still going strong. Might donate it since he bought me a new shiny one. It feels the same, feels the exact same weight as the one I had. So we're going to try it out. I picked this can because it's a little bit smaller than like a bean can. And you know, the smaller the cans are, the trickier it is. So let me show you how smooth this works. You just, as I explained to my kids, you bite the can like this. It clicks. And this is, I've used other people's can openers. This one works just as good or better than every other manual can opener. If you accidentally go all the way like that, trick I learned is to use a magnet to pull it up so you don't cut your finger. Works great after 20 years. It just needs cleaned up, but my husband was sweet and said, I'll just buy you a new one. This feels the same weight. This will stand the test of time, guys. It is a great can opener. If you would like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out.